ऐसा कुछ कंटेंट बाहर आने वाला है जो पहले कभी नहीं आया मे बी आपका पागलपन बहुत जरूरी है some all my content creation secrets are coming out. My family background has always been not very financially stable. When I got my job, all of them told me, what is wrong with you?
There's one question that I ask to all the influencers, which is about social media trolling, right?
My favorite topic. इस टॉपिक के लिए तो मेरे पास बहुत सारी बात करना चाहती हूँ. Yes.
Hi, my Instagram family. I absolutely love you.
When I say that, I absolutely love your channel. I absolutely love what you guys are doing. I've done a lot of interviews. Lovely to see such confident girls sitting right next to me.
Hi guys, welcome to Z Media India.com. My name is Simran Keswani and today with us we have a truly versatile talent. She is a makeup educator, she is a makeup artist and she's also an influencer. So please welcome Bhumika Bhal. Thank you
so much for everything. Jinx, we are already, I think, tuning on this. Thank you so much.
Yes.
And इतनी तारीफ कर दी अब तो बहुत ही amazing जाने वाला है interview. Yes.
So firstly, Bhumika, I want to tell you that the minute I saw your profile on my Instagram, I instantly followed you because something really struck a chord. And it was not only because, I'm inclined towards makeup or I
Yes.
like makeup. It's also because the way you talk, the way you communicate, it really gravitated me towards you. And हमने आपकी journey तो उसके बाद देखी ही है, how much you have grown. But I want to talk about your journey before that. What were you doing before you were a makeup artist? How did you transition from being a financial auditor to a makeup artist and all of
Yes,
that?
I think now we're going to the ground.
Yes.
And we're going to the roots. ऐसा कुछ content बाहर आने वाला है जो पहले कभी नहीं आया maybe.
Right.
But I've told this, to a lot of people in a lot of interviews that I've always been I was a senior financial auditor and I was working in one of the big fours of this country. ANY, always proud of being working there and now taking everything to my journey as a makeup artist. मैंने ना वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ सीखा. अब आज एक makeup artist, makeup educator और जैसे बोलते celebrity makeup artist
Right.
as they say it, मैं नहीं
Yes.
बोलती as they say it, and makeup educator और makeup consultant बनने के बाद पता लगता है.
हाँ.
When I was auditing, so we used to work for a Houston-based plan. I cannot name the client. और वहाँ पर उनकी रात होती थी, हमारा दिन होता था. That adaptation of working for hours in day and night and submitting projects, in working for longer hours in very small, tight deadlines. The freelance makeup artist is ज़्यादा है कौन समझ सकता है. And then I was so thankful to God at every step. When I was turning into a makeup artist from a senior financial auditor, when I said, I'm senior बोलने में बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. I joined EY as an associate.
Okay.
Like as they call it, as a staff.
Right.
When I entered and then learning everything, auditing numbers, balance sheets, matching. वो करते करते इतना analytics आ गया, इतना precision आ गया. You ask me to draw a liner, a wing liner, a smaller one or the longest one. The amount of precision you'll see is the same as I used to do when I used to match my balance sheets back there.
Okay.
So this journey has been beautiful. I've taught so much. I've learned so much as auditor that now I'm applying all my skills to my makeup.
So you always wanted to become a makeup artist?
I thought so.
Yeah.
In my own mind. मुझे ऐसा लगता था इस दुनिया में कि मैं मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहती हूँ और मैं बहुत ही अच्छी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बन पाऊंगी. And when I thought that, I shared this thought with my father. When I say my father, my mama is like my father. और like coming from a very low middle class background, वो कहते हैं तुम अपने सपने ना जरा अंदर रखो, ये पूरे होंगे. With very motivational front that ये पूरा होगा, but completed our education. अब उनकी बात को ना मैंने दिल के बहुत seriously ले लिया. I have completed my Bachelor's of Commerce, Master's of Commerce in EY through my company only. I was sponsored. I was halfway through my Certified Public Accountancy. But for that backup, कि चलो टीचर तो बन ही जाएंगे अगर कुछ नहीं बने तो. But that backup was always there. कि अगर मैं मेकअप आर्टिस्ट नहीं बन पाई या मैं मेकअप इंडस्ट्री में फेल हो गई तो मैं टीचर बन जाऊँ और मैं मेकअप सिखाऊंगी. And look at the beauty of life and look at God. We're sitting right here. Do you see the backdrop? In my academy where I teach makeup, being a teacher, वो सारे skills और precision analytics आज काम आते हैं. All God.
Right. So Bhumika, जैसे आपने पहले भी अपने interviews में mention किया है that your parents were not really convinced with the idea of you going into makeup, right? Pursuing it full time, and then you already had a financially stable job. So what was that drive or belief, and the fact you're coming in a saturated field? So what was that drive and belief that you thought that I'm going to take this leap of faith?
For all those who are watching this right now, let me tell you, आपका पागलपन बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ही पागल थी when I thought about that I would just, and it was not a very planned leaving of job. अब मैं ज्ञान देती हूँ that always wherever you're working, if you have a stable income, first save, then switch your career, or even before switching your career, you figure out how much time will I take, to come to this X amount of money that I will earn as a makeup artist. फिर उसके बाद break even पे आ जाओ, फिर छोड़ दो. वो पागलपन इतना crazy था. अब हम बात कर रहे हैं, मैं आपको बताऊँ, it's been 10 years back.
Right.
Now right now I'm 31. I'm talking about when I was in fact more than 10 years when I was 18 or 19 years old in my college. My family background has always been not very financially stable. When I got my job, all of them told me, what is wrong with you? And in my job also, the best feeling was getting up in the morning, Like you see me right now?
Yeah.
I say dressed up, decked up with my hair, with my makeup on point, on fleek. I'm entering my office like a Cannes Film Festival going on. अपना
Right.
look दिखा रहे हैं every day with what I'm wearing. Being said that, वो decision मुझे उस time लगा था ये बहुत बड़ा risk है. अगर तो ये risk काम कर गया तो
Right.
बेटा तेरी तो life बदल जाएगी.
हाँ.
You're going to be the queen of your dreams. But if not, मेरे तो EY में ना एक boomerang policy होता है.
हाँ.
In which most of the organizations they have it. If you go out and you want to join back, you can come back. So I had a backup right there. So that's how I.
Lovely. Now talking about content creation, and I say this with utmost respect. 2020 से पहले अगर हम बात करें, हम जब makeup artist की बात करते थे, तो we didn't know who Bhumika was. Then after 2020, your name popped out of nowhere, and you literally conquered this
Yes.
industry, right? You became a pioneer makeup artist. So what was really the code of overnight success?
So all my content creation secrets are coming out on this channel right now. What I feel is that I was always very informative, and I always say that I was very knowledgeable about a lot of things. Being said that, मुझे पता था कि मुझे क्या करना है, मतलब किस इंडस्ट्री में करना है. I was very very strong believer that if I go into beauty, it will work out. If I go into beauty brands, it will work out. If I go into cosmetic and knowledge, this will work out. If I go into beauty education, at that time, I was very clear about my niche. और उसको भी अब जो niche के अंदर का niche होता है ना, I was very clear about that also. When I thought about beauty, I thought that I can be a beauty content creator, or a makeup artist, or a self makeup artist, or a professional makeup artist. मैंने कहा यार कोई beauty education नहीं कर रहा. मेरी तो B.Ed भी हो गई थी. Technically, I was allowed and I was very well prepared for it. अगर आप literature wise देखो तो. और मुझे शौक बहुत था. I thought that when I speak, my communication has something that already I was working on for so many years. अगर आपकी niche की बहुत clarity हो आपको, I think every content creator will work out.
Right.
For that, for all the content creators watching this, I feel that if you are, say, for example, a makeup artist, and say, for example, you do fashion also, and you do label also, design also, and you do a lot of things. In makeup also, say, for example, if you do bridal also, editorial also, सारा content डाल दो on your social medias and let the audience decide what is working for you. And then you can frame and filter what is working and what is not. I was very clear about my niche. Second, whatever is needed as a content creator, apart from my niche of being a beauty educator, अब कैमरा पे आना है तो बात तो करनी पड़ेगी. Your communication in Hindi or English, your personality from top to bottom, that confidence, that character, and that belief in God was always there. So I thought, work out, why not?
Right. But do you think that 2020 के बाद, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा content creators emerged after that, so do you think now it is a little more difficult for someone to get into this, or compared to someone who was probably starting out before 2020?
Talking about the first part of the question, this question with my fingers crossed कर लेते that I am absolutely, it is now populated. Now every other person at home or otherwise, irrespective, is a content creator. तो मुझे लगता है कि कभी भी industry drop तो नहीं होती. Content creation is going to be bigger and better. And all those people who are creating content now are building their legacies already for their generations to come. And I feel legacy already for their parents and everyone. You see, what we are generating out of this is beautiful. In terms of thoughts that we're putting out, in terms of name, fame, money, whatever you call it, is just drastic, beautiful. Now coming to कि अब इसका क्या होगा for the coming content creators. Again, I feel consistency and dedication is something which is supposed to be right there.
Right.
Anyone who's dropping into this, who's having a thought कि मुझे ये करना है, आप कल करने वाले तो उसको अभी कर लो. You never know what works for you. You never know.
Right.
If you think you belong here, wherever, and if you can speak basic also, come out with your thoughts. You never know whom you relate to. आज हम दोनों बात कर रहे हैं, क्या पता आधी ऑडियंस मुझसे रिलेट करती हो कि यार क्या बात कर रही है. Beautiful, strong personality, and half of them are more than all of them 100% they relate to you. Like the way you're asking me questions. So this answer is all dependent on the audience that you're serving to, and not me more really. तो अगर मन कर रहा है तो disclaimer आ जाओ. Everyone watching this, come to content creation.
Yeah, you should definitely come to it. I also want to know, speaking of you, जैसे मैंने बोला 2020 के बाद बहुत सारे content creators आ गए. So do you find it difficult to shine through the pool of other creators or create content which is different from other people?
Competition coming here. वो difficult तब होगा जब मैं वो नहीं हूँ जो मैं हूँ content creation करते हुए. Being said that, if I'm not in the best of my mental health, physical health, emotional health, or maybe financial health, all my parameters, तो हो सकता है मैं content create नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. If I'm not informative, and if I'm not updated, again drops back to the knowledge, basic building blocks and what I see in the market. अभी वो trend आया, wow, just looking like a wow, I met her, she's very sweet right here.
Yeah.
अगर आप वो फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आपको फॉलो करना ही नहीं करना है, वो आपका चॉइस है. इफ यू डोंट इवन नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, व्हाट इज लुकिंग लाइक अबाउट, यू डोंट नो दैट, देन समवेयर you will lose it. So you being authentic, my multiple social media handle presence. मैं YouTube पे हूँ, मैं Instagram पे हूँ, मैं Facebook पे हूँ, मैं यहाँ हूँ, मैं वहाँ हूँ, मैं हर जगह हूँ.
Right.
Not working on all these social media handles, but being there is making a mark in the market.
Right.
And if you're real, as I am, बिल्कुल जो दिल में बात आती है. For this interview also we have not prepped. Let me tell you,
Yes.
this is all coming from my heart. The questions are right here. She's throwing and I'm answering back.
Right.
So that is the beauty of life.
Right. So what is that one tip that you would want to give to budding content creators who are right now feeling demotivated?
Feeling demotivated, तो पहले तो खुश हो जाओ, because what you are doing is an absolute job which is very difficult, जो हर कोई नहीं कर सकता. It is not easy to sit like this and talk to each other and talk in front of the camera or so on and so forth. It is not easy to be you, to be वो real और real content बोलते हैं ना, to be real in your reels is very difficult. तो जो आप कर रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. अगर आप demotivated हो तो एक आप मुझे देख लो रोज़ आके. सुबह मैं स्टोरी डालती हूँ, फिर उसके बाद मैं भी क्लासेस लेती हूँ, फिर मैं लाइव आ जाती हूँ. You keep on following me on all my handles, on my YouTube, see my promotions like that, Instagram, YouTube and otherwise. Don't be demotivated at all. Whatever you are getting in your comment section. अब demotivate क्यों होगा content creator? या तो उसका content चल नहीं रहा. वो क्यों चल रहा है? क्योंकि वो उस niche में काम करे जो उनका niche है ही नहीं. शायद नीश ट्राई करना है, या फिर जब वो पोस्ट कर रहे हैं उनका टाइम है ही नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई आई टेल ऑल ऑफ देम टू कम टू माय सोशल मीडिया क्लासेस, टू कम टू माय मेकअप क्लासेस. ऑनलाइन ही आ जाओ, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन, टू लर्न द सोशल मीडिया कैलेंडर कॉन्सेप्ट. हाउ डू यू ब्रेक योर एल्गोरिथम्स इज नॉलेज.
Right.
नॉन स्टॉप मैं आ रही हूँ 10 रील डाल रही हूँ, देयर इज नो पॉइंट if it is not hitting the right audience at the right time. So come and learn it from me. Like I've learned from my experiences and howsoever. और अगर ट्रोलर्स वाली कुछ बात है डिमोटिवेशन में, तो फिर सारा ज्ञान मेरा ही लेना है लाइफ में.
We'll come to that also.
Yes.
But before that, I want to know that, like you said, the algorithm keeps changing, right? पहले हमारे पास photos थी, फिर उसके बाद IGTV आया, अब reels है. So how does one stay relevant at all times?
You have to hit all the parameters. You never know, सकते अब reels भी चला जाएगा. अच्छा, I'll give you an example. मैं पहले TikTok पे थी.
हाँ.
मुझे लाइव ऑप्शन भी मिल गया था some years back. फिर एकदम से न्यूज़ आई TikTok बंद होने वाला है, और मैं जो रोई, जो मेरे आंसू निकले, आई थिंक लाइफ में सबसे ज़्यादा मैं तभी रोई होंगी, नॉन स्टॉप पूरी रात. इट वॉज फॉर मी, इट वॉज माई ब्रेड एंड बटर एंड माई मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग, माई लाइफ स्टाइल, वॉट नॉट. मतलब सुबह उठते थे कंटेंट के लिए, आई वो से कंटेंट इज द किंग एंड आई एम द क्वीन.
Right.
फिर उसके बाद कह रहे कि ये बंद होने वाला है. आई ट्राई टू डाउनलोड माई कॉन्टेंट. द ट्रैफिक वॉज सो मच एट दैट टाइम ऑन दैट ऐप, द नंबर ऑफ यूजर्स, मेरा कोई कॉन्टेंट नहीं बचा.
Right.
तो मैं भाग के इंस्टाग्राम पे आ गई. टुडे बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस 1.2 मिलियन एंड काउंटिंग. अभी बीच में ना हाल फिलहाल में न्यूज़ आई थी इंस्टाग्राम बंद होने वाला. मैं भाग के यूट्यूब पर चली गई.
Wow.
तो इस चीज़ में मुझसे इंस्पिरेशन लेना. यूट्यूब ऑल्सो वी आर 500K प्लस सब्सक्राइबर्स
Oh wow, that's great.
ऑलरेडी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस हैपनिंग कि ये बंद हो जाएगा. Being said that let's not wait for the worst of situations to happen and switch to other social media. Hit all the parameters. अगर आज मैं content बना रही हूँ, the best answer to this will be content planning, curation and posting. Say for example, I'm doing an interview with you. I'm already planned. अब मैं इसकी रील बनाऊंगी पॉडकास्ट फॉर्मेट में, आधे आप आओगे, आधे मैं आऊँगी. फिर उसके बाद मैं यूट्यूब पे अपना पूरा लाइव डाल दूंगी, लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट वीडियो, यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स डालूंगी, रील्स डालूंगी, स्टोरीज पे डालूंगी. मेरा BTS बना रहे हैं ऑलरेडी. इज राइट हियर दैट समथिंग बिग इज हैपनिंग इन द अकेडमी विद वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट चैनल्स इन दिस कंट्री. सो दैट्स हाउ यू हिट एवरी पैरामीटर.
Right. मुझे ये भी जानना है, जब when people start out as a makeup artist, so they do a lot of barter collabs, freebies भी लेते हैं वो लोग. So at what point do you think that somebody should strictly go for paid collab, and do you think exploitation होती है barter के नाम पे?
I don't think so. Being an influencer, being a कैसे बोलते हैं गरीब influencer, or being now, how do you call it? I mean influencer not in terms of money, not in terms of the number of followers, not in terms of how I look, how I speak. Just that very definition कि हम तो छोटे इन्फ्लुएंसर हैं, जैसे हम तो बड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर हैं. इन्फ्लुएंसर इज इन्फ्लुएंसर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सेकंड, आज भी टुडे ऑल्सो इफ आई फील देयर इज अ ब्रांड और देयर इज समथिंग XYZ इन्फ्लुएंसर, मेरी इंडस्ट्री का कोई और मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, कोई और हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट, कोई और स्टाइलिस्ट, कोई और फैशन डिज़ाइनर, कोई और फैशन स्टाइलिस्ट, ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइनर, ज्वेलरी स्टाइलिस्ट, जो मेरे प्रोफाइल को वैल्यू ऐड करता है,
Right.
जो मेरे मल्टी फैसेटेड अकेडमी को वैल्यू ऐड करता है. चाहे पैसे मिले या नहीं मिले, हम तो कोलैब करेंगे. If it is adding or giving value addition to me as a person, as a brand, Bhumika Behan, or to all my students who step in, or to my team, or to my family, as I call them, to Bhumika Behan Academy and Studio here in Gurgaon, तो वो तो होगा. Terms of the barter collaboration will be different. अब हम बात करते हैं freebies की. A lot of my students come to me and tell me, मैं तो इन्फ्लुएंसर हूँ, मुझे बोलते हैं अब इतना इतना सामान ले लो और मेरे लिए कंटेंट बना दो।
राइट।
तो कुछ तो आप में देखते होंगे।
हाँ।
तभी तो मुझे लगता है बाटा कोलैबोरेशन भी क्रैक करना इज नॉट वेरी इजी। ऑल्सो द एक्स अमाउंट, अब यहाँ पे ये नहीं सोचिए कि मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के अगेंस्ट और ब्रांड्स के साथ हूँ और कोई ब्रांड प्रमोशन कर रही हूँ। बीइंग वेरी रॉ एंड रियल, इवन इफ माई ब्रांड इज गिविंग मी अ फ्रीबी, दैट इज अ एक्स अमाउंट। What as a smart influencer, be it छोटा बड़ा गरीब अमीर, जो whatever they say it, I don't say it, आप जो भी हो लाइफ में, अगर आपको ब्रांड कुछ एक्स अमाउंट ऑफर करती है, कुछ फ्री भी ऑफर करती है, उसकी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करें और अपने कमर्शियल्स को एज ए इन्फ्लुएंसर उससे मैच कर दें। अगर वो मैच होते हैं तो मुझे लगता है बाटा कोलैबोरेशन है ही नहीं, वो अपने आप में एक पेड
But
कोलैबोरेशन।
it has nothing to do with your following. How many followers you have?
आई थिंक टाइम्स आर चेंजिंग नाउ। अब वो वाले टाइम्स नहीं है कि किसी की अगर 1 million प्लस फॉलोइंग होगी तो कोलैबोरेशन होगा। डू यू सी दिस गर्ल एट कांस फिल्म फेस्टिवल?
Nancy.
तो कौन सा पेड कोलैबोरेशन है?
Right.
हम नहीं गए आज तक। कितने बड़े बड़े फैशन इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, हैव यू सीन देम देयर?
Yeah.
व्हाई दैट गर्ल? बिकॉज इट इज ऑलवेज, एंड आई ऑलवेज से कंटेंट इज क्वालिटी ओवर क्वांटिटी।
Right. I agree. Now coming to this one question that I asked to all the influencers, which is about social media trolling, right?
माय फेवरेट टॉपिक। इस टॉपिक के लिए तो मेरे पास बहुत सारी बात करना चाहती हूँ। यस।
Right. So, like I was saying, अगर एक side है, if there's one section of society that really likes you and loves your content, there's also another section that can be sometimes very mean towards you, right?
Yes.
And there are some content creators who also have significant following, who have made recreational videos on you. So how do you take that? Does that ever take a toll on your mental health?
Obviously it does. अब I can't be very fake. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता ट्रोलर्स से। मैं तो अपने घर जाती हूँ, मैं सो जाती हूँ, this and that. I have approach of balancing, और मैं तो ना बहुत ही, like you're sitting to me, I'm sure that you can feel I'm a very positive person.
Yes, absolutely.
Positivity comes out of my body because I grab so much out of everyone around me. Being said that, I will always focus on what best comments I'm getting. मैं तो पिन भी करती हूँ, अरे आप कितनी खूबसूरत लग रही है, पिन, अरे आप तो सबसे सुंदर है इस दुनिया में, पिन।
Oh, yeah.
And then you come to all those comments which are not very friendly. उसमें भी मेरा एक filtration approach है. Say for example, someone is saying that you are maybe, the lights are making your makeup flash today. I will consider that comment. That's not trolling. हो सकता है एक्चुअली में ऐसा हो रहा, might be there is some play with the light or something else in my studio that's not working for my makeup. उसको हम कंसिडर करेंगे, उनको हम रिप्लाई करेंगे, अपनी टीम को फीडबैक दे देंगे।
Right.
Third, there is someone who's saying कि तुम क्यों बनाती हो कंटेंट, तुम्हारा लाइफ में पर्पस क्या है? What is like all those negative people sitting idle at home and giving you trolling? तो फिर तो मेरे पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं। एक ब्यूटीफुल सा ऑप्शन है म्यूट करने का, उससे भी एक खूबसूरत ऑप्शन है इंस्टाग्राम को थैंक करते हैं ब्लॉक करने का।
Right.
और हम तो रोज करते हैं। आई विल सी दैट कमेंट वंस और ट्वाइस, बट रेपिटेटिव नेगेटिविटी इज नॉट कमिंग माय वे एट ऑल। टॉकिंग अबाउट माय मेंटल हेल्थ, टू कीप माई सेल्फ सेन, जब तक मेरा ये ठीक नहीं होगा तो फिर ये कैसे ऐसा होगा विजुअल जो आज है। आई कीप टॉकिंग टू माई फ्रेंड्स अबाउट इट, एंड देयर लॉट ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट्स हू कम टू मी हैव बीन क्राइंग अबाउट ट्रोलिंग। तो मैं उनको बोलती हूँ, इवन इफ यू वांट टू गो टू अ थेरेपिस्ट, व्हाई नॉट? ये कौन से टैबूज हैं कि हम ये नहीं कर सकते? अगर आपको लगता है एनीथिंग इज टेकिंग अ टोल ऑन योर बॉडी, वो कंसल्ट सम थेरेपिस्ट। मेरे लिए तो वो सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं। व्हेन आई से फ्रेंड्स, ऑल माय इंडस्ट्री पीपल, वी गो एंड टॉक एंड वी लाफ। अच्छा आपको, so they would repeat that comment to me that they read, and we keep on sharing among ourselves, and then I would also repeat that comment to them, and so on and so forth. फिर हम हंसते हैं, फिर हम उनको ब्लॉक कर देते हैं, म्यूट कर देते हैं।
Right.
That's how we laugh it out. But ever if it comes on your health, take it out to someone.
Right. But अगर कोई इंडस्ट्री का ही हो जो रिक्रिएशन कर रहा हो, हाउ डू यू टेक दैट?
I will pray to God for their health, physical, mental, emotional,
Right.
financial. मैं प्रे करूँगी कि उनकी मेंटल हेल्थ ठीक हो जाए,
Hmm.
वो जल्दी से जल्दी ठीक हो जाए। और मैं प्रे करूँगी कि जो उन्होंने अब कंटेंट डाला है,
हाँ.
was a fellow person in the industry who has been through the same struggle. All of us, we've seen, no? The
Yeah,
respect for the fellow industry members is so much. What we've gone through and where we are right now and what we face. 100% of our lives is live right now. मेरी लाइफ में कुछ भी हो रहा होगा तो वो कैमरा में होगा, या तो मेरी तरफ से होगा, किसी और की तरफ से होगा। हम कोई पार्टी में जाते हैं, there are 20 reposts and 20 videos of me doing something at the party. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
तो फिर उनको तो मैं बोलूँगी और मैं उनके लिए प्रे करूँगी फॉर देयर फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ, कि भगवान करे कि इनका कंटेंट चल जाए, मोनेटाइज हो जाए और खूब पैसा कमा जाए इससे। फिर हम साथ में मिलके कर लेंगे, कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ क्या हो गया?
Wow.
Why not?
Love that thought. Also, I want to know, like you have said that you're an introvert. तो मुझे जानना है कि जो introvert content creators हैं, जो ज़्यादा लोगों से बात नहीं कर सकते, तो ज़रूरी होता है कि events पे जाके socialize करना, अपने contacts बनाना. And as an introvert, how do you manage that?
Okay, now I will connect this to the very first question of this interview that you asked me. And when I was a senior financial auditor, मेरी life में क्या था? मुझे वहाँ ज़्यादा कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. मतलब auditing, I was like one of those extra miners को पैसे मिलते थे for, you know, extra earning reward points and everything for what I was working. My time sheet used to be 90 hours for a week, which is supposed to be 40 hours. I was very hardworking, very smart working girl. वहाँ पे एक तो मुझे समझ आया कि अच्छा दिखना, कॉन्फिडेंस से बात करना, सामने वाले को वैसे ही थोड़ा सा टोन डाउन करना. अंदर जो भी है वो बात की बात है. इफ़ यू लुक लाइक दिस, योर मेकअप इज लाइक दिस, योर हेयर इज लाइक दिस, तो इस इंडस्ट्री में तो जाना ही पड़ेगा. तो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, हेयर की क्लासेस, कॉन्फिडेंस क्लासेस तो हम लगाएंगे. फिर उसके बाद एक चीज़ समझ आए कि द वे आई टॉक टू अदर्स, डू आई हैव दैट नेटवर्किंग केपेबिलिटी. तो मैंने वहाँ से नेटवर्किंग बहुत सीखा. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर वेरी एंग्री एट मी राइट नाउ फॉर समथिंग, आई कैन काम यू डाउन with the lowest of my voice. If you're really sweet to me, I will never make use of your emotions. That's how I am as a girl, or as a woman, or whatever you call it. तो फिर इस इंडस्ट्री में समझ आया कि कॉन्टैक्ट, मोनेटाइजेशन एंड नेटवर्किंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगेन कमिंग बैक टू माई ग्राउंड रूल कि जब तक ज्ञान होगा, जितनी आप पढ़ाई करोगे, टुडे ऑल्सो यू कम बैक टू माई केबिन, यू सी ऑल द बुक्स राइट देयर. आधी पढ़ी होंगी, आधी छुई भी नहीं होगी, बट इट्स राइट देयर. मुझे वो दिखता रहेगा. My mama will come and give 10 more. ये देखेगी थोड़ा pressure build होगा, पढ़ना है. Maybe the preface only, maybe some pages.
Yeah.
You have to be really informative. अब आप कमरे के अंदर बैठ जाएं. The definition of introvert is not that I'm not talking to people.
Right.
I'm only talking as much as I want to.
Right. Of course.
And also, introvert is not that I will not initiate a conversation with you. I will always have that breakthrough conversation. Or what do you feel about this new skinnerism concept going on in the market? फिर तो बात शुरू होगी. With my knowledge, I turn like a very smart introvert. And as an introvert back then, now तो मैं चुप ही नहीं होंगी. Chलिए next question. You're waiting for the next question. I was used to record myself in my camera and watch me multiple times. Networking is very important. Meeting your friends is very important. Meeting your industry fellow members, whether you're friends or not, is very important. What is going to be the next big step in the industry? You have to be there. Now everyone, all of us, we watch this series called Hira Mandi. Okay.
Yeah.
और मैं टीम में आई तो बच्चों ने मुझसे पूछा, मैम आप लोग कब कर रहे हो? The audience wants it, the people want it, the industry wants it. So you have to be together in that, no?
Right. Now coming to your personal life, you've entered this new phase of life, right?
Yes.
You are a new mom, so I want to know how has your life changed after becoming a mother?
I'm now also sitting here talking to I'm a very fearless woman,
Right.
a very fearless makeup artist, self-makeup artist, makeup educator, self-makeup educator and whatnot. But ये जो मेरे अंदर का fearlessness है ना, जैसे कबीर मेरे हाथ में आते हैं, पता नहीं कहाँ चला जाता है. I don't know, मैं थोड़ा सा ना from that sherni I become a beaky bully around. I don't know why. With kids it is very emotional.
Yeah.
Like I'm having an interview right here. अगर अभी कबीर को आज मैं academy लेके नहीं आई हूँ, otherwise he comes to the academy with the mom. अगर मैं यहाँ पे कहीं होता ना तो मेरा back of the mind में वही होती.
Absolutely.
कहाँ पे क्या खा रहा है, क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या टाइम हो गया, सरला का टाइम है, अब ये टाइम है, वो टाइम है, so on and so forth. This mom journey has made me very strong. I still remember. I was about to enter the 9th month of my pregnancy. I was on my feet doing a batch of 75 students offline. My feet were swollen like elephant feet, I tell you. It was this big, with all the right reference to this. And then also body में energy बहुत अलग होती है. That my kid is about to come. Whatever I'm doing, अभी तक मैं जो करी थी मैं अपने लिए करी थी. और मैं family के लिए किसी में अब हम जो भी करें अपने futuristic
Right.
कबीर के लिए. And I will make sure that he comes. अभी 1 साल का हो जाए, चलने लग जाए, I'll bring him here. He'll taste everything that he needs to taste in childhood. कैमरा दे देंगे, आदमी बोलेंगे आप खेलो. What else?
तो pregnancy के time challenging रहा?
It was indeed. But I was always connected to my doctor. There are a lot of challenges, physical challenges. You can't walk, you can't be that frisk, you can't move that easy. Emotional challenges, इतने mood swings होते हैं, अब ये खाना है, अब ये खाना है, अब ये खाना है, आएगा अब ये नहीं खाना है. So that's how when the class is going on, think about it, you're sitting at the back, the class is right here to come for a lecture, बच्चे practice कर रहे हैं, you're eating, you're drinking, your commitments with your doctor, checking up on everything physically, तो बहुत difficult होता है. But I feel for all those women who are watching this, working women and otherwise, if you are the most beautiful housewives and you've taken care of your families in the best way, हमेशा काम करते रहना. Or do something, whether earning or not does not matter. Something which is making you happy, something that you have passion about, something that keeps you busy. If that is makeup, come to me right away. Online आ जाओ, pregnant हो तो. Otherwise you can walk in, why not?
Right. All right, Bhumika, that was amazing, and I'm sure your journey is going to be very inspiring for all the people. Now, I would like to move to the last segment, which is the rapid fire round. So, are you ready?
Very excited. ज़्यादा ही fun नहीं हो जाए. Let's go.
Right. So, one makeup product that can instantly uplift your look.
My lip balm, because that is one thing that I would use on my chapped lips, on my cheeks, on my nose, everywhere whenever I feel dry.
Okay. One makeup trend that should be done and dusted.
वाटरप्रूफ मेकअप, वो रेड बुल डालना फेस पे और बहुत सारा पानी डालना और फिर वो नहीं निकल रहा इज एन ऑफ ऑलवेज ऑफ.
Okay. One rumor about makeup artists which is actually true.
Rumor which is actually true कि मेकअप आर्टिस्ट अपने मेकअप में बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं लगाते. सो दिस व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ ऑन कैमरा, लेट मी शो यू 50 minutes to do this.
Okay.
Which is actually true.
Yeah.
We take no time in our makeups, yes.
If you wouldn't have been a makeup artist, creator, or an auditor, what would you be?
बहुत कुछ तूफान आ रहे दिमाग में. I might be obviously working for the society always. That is not even a profession like a social worker. That goes without saying. मुझे लगता है मैं इस देश के लिए कुछ कर रही होती कहीं पे, या तो कहीं फौज में होते या फिर कहीं आर्मी, और मे बी आर्मी कैंटीन में खाना बना रहे होते. माइट बी फाइटिंग, माइट बी somewhere in the governance of this country, maybe figuring out something for the nation, maybe, obviously, yes.
That's interesting. Okay, one advice that changed your life.
Always be financially independent. ये मैं बहुत बार बोलती हूँ in my other content pieces also. If as a girl or a boy, otherwise also, अगर आप financially independent हैं, मुझे पैसे से वो खुशी नहीं मिलती. जो वो पैसा होने के बाद जो मुझे independence मिलती है,
Right.
जो मुझे power of choices मिलता है, जो मुझे freedom मिलता है कहीं भी आने का जाने का, always quoted and I'm very proud quoting it always. I bought my own house when
Yes.
things worked in the right direction. That was a magical moment for me. Now my family lives with me. Kabir lives with me there. I bought my own car. If I have to go somewhere, my own driver भैया, and my own choices कि academy आना है, interview है, इसके बाद मैंने party जाना है, इसके बाद मैंने यहाँ जाना है, इसके बाद मैंने वहाँ जाना. Financial independent, and always be very smart with your finances. Always keep them in your control. Invest and grow in life forever.
Super happy for you. What sets your academy different from other academies in Delhi, in India, and internationally?
International, I tell you, I've been to a lot of academies myself. As a visitor and otherwise, I completed my course also from academy. With all due respect to all the academies, जहाँ जहाँ हम गए, कभी कभी देखने के लिए process क्या है, बहुत ही बुरा हाल है. With all due respect again to everyone who's surviving in this world, nation, universe, globe, whatever. Do you see this place right here? A dedicated cafeteria for all my kids.
Yes.
मतलब that is basic. ये तो count भी नहीं होता. कोई बच्चा आएगा उसको basic mineral water देना, cold or lukewarm or warm or whatever facilities inside in terms of your coffee machines, and good cooked food, the best of hygiene for my kids.
Yeah.
When I say that, जब मेरा बच्चा यहाँ पे आएगा, there's safety, security. Anyone who's traveling in Delhi or otherwise, the accommodation is my responsibility.
Right.
There are some places that we figured out here. We have tied up with them. मेरा बच्चा यहीं रहता है in my 7-day offline course. उस बच्चे का वहाँ से यहाँ पे आना is my responsibility. You will, and it is not that we book cabs and we get them. My own female trainers will go along with them. It is all a cab full of females and otherwise.
Wow, that's all right, Bhumika. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
really
much.
are a powerhouse of talent, and it was lovely speaking to you. Thank you for taking out your time.
Hi,
my
my Instagram family.
I absolutely love you.
When I say that, I absolutely love your channel. I absolutely love what you guys are doing. I've done a lot of interviews. Lovely to see such confident girls sitting right next to me.
So much.
It was mutual talking to you. What you get from me, I radiate exactly same from you. Keep growing in your life, and may your channel become the biggest in this world. Yes.
Thank you
so much.
Means
for
a
your time.
lot.